I got 1,000 subscribers in just a few days without posting a single video. One day, I was scrolling through YouTube, thinking about whether it was actually possible to get subscribers without posting videos. Then it hit me. I had just created a brand new YouTube channel and finished setting it up. A few hours later, I was watching a YouTube video with over 6 million views. The video had more than 250,000 likes and thousands of comments. And that's when an interesting idea came to mind. I told myself, what if I could get subscribers using other people's videos without stressing myself out? Because I've seen a lot of YouTube channels with over 200 videos posted, yet they still don't have up to 800 subscribers. And honestly, that's very discouraging. So, you should pay close attention to what I'm about to show you. I went to MrBeast's channel and started watching his recent videos. MrBeast gets millions of views within just a couple of hours after uploading. Then I told myself, I'm going to use MrBeast to get 1,000 subscribers. I even told a friend of mine about the idea, but he doubted it would work. So this is what I did. I waited for MrBeast to post a new video so I could be among the first people to see it. Luckily, MrBeast uploaded a new video. 5 minutes later, I went to the comment section using my new channel, and this is what I wrote. Hey everyone, I just created this channel, and I'm super excited to start this journey. I haven't posted anything yet, but I have so many ideas, and I can't wait to share them with you all. If you believe in supporting new creators and their dreams, a subscribe would mean the world to me. Pleading face red heart. Let's grow together from the very beginning. And then I waited. A few hours later, I got a notification on Gmail. It was from YouTube. I knew exactly what was coming. When I opened it, I was shocked. There were over 60 notifications from YouTube, and every single one of them was a new subscriber alert. After just one day, my subscriber count grew from 62 to 475. So, I kept using the same method. I did it 2 more times, and eventually, I reached 1,000 subscribers. I kept doing it, and now I have several channels with no videos posted but hundreds of subscribers. Some of them have over 700 subscribers, and when they reach 1,000, I simply give them away. So, if you're struggling to reach 1,000 subscribers, you might want to try this method. Using comments to attract subscribers is a real thing, and it's surprisingly simple. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.